Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account and where the expired invite was used. Make sure you are logged in and email verified. If you use 2FA, have your device ready. Next, locate the original invite text or URL and copy the invite code only, because typing errors cause expiration messages. Once done, open the Discord app or the web client on the same account and paste the invite into Join a Server or the browser address bar to test if it still resolves. If the invite is expired, you need a fresh link from a server admin or moderator. Message them directly. Explain you saw an expired invite and request a non-expiring or longer-lived invite link. Make sure to specify whether you need a normal invite, an invite tied to a specific role, or one limited by uses so they can set the correct permissions. Once they send the new link, use Join a Server or the browser link immediately to avoid another expiration. You finish by using the new invite and following on-screen prompts to accept rules or complete server verification. Make sure your client is up to date. If joining fails, clear the Discord cache or switch to the web client in a different browser, then try the link again. If problems persist, confirm with the admins whether you were banned or if the invite has IP or age restrictions, and ask them to add you manually or change invite settings as the fastest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.